Hi guys, so if you ever need to map data from one CSV file to another, then this is the ideal solution for you. So let's say I have two CSV files here. This is the first file, the list of user, and you can see that the email column doesn't have anything. And this is the user file with email, right? So the requirement is to map this email into this file by looking up the name column. You can see that these two files have a common name, right? Common name column, but I can rename it to something else. So let rename that, right? Username, right? Something like that. And I want to the application to use this to look up for name in this file using the username here and map the value, the email value to this column. So that the requirement is to get the username value here, look up to the name column in this file, match the email, and put it into here. So you can see that this is kind of similar to VLOOKUP in Excel. So let's see how you can do that with this tool. So how it can save you time and have you avoid error by manually entering the values yourself. So the first thing you need to do is to select a source files. So the source files is the file you want to perform the lookup, which is this one. You want to get the email here, right? So select the source file. So user with email, which is, yep, and open it. Then you can see that um, these two select boxes are populated with the column's name. So the lookup column would be name, obviously, and there's the value you want to get from that file, which is the email, right? We want to get the email from the source file by looking up at the name column and then select the target file. So the user here, so you can see that the target column, lookup column, and the output column are automatically populated. So the target lookup column would be username, right? So let me show the file again. So this is the target file. We want to look up by username and the target value to fill the email, which is the email column. So change this to email, right? Target output column would be email. So you can also have an option to enter the default value if there's no match, right? So let's see how long does it take to map these two files with, let me see how many columns, roughly 800 columns. So let's click on perform mapping, right? And you can see that it is done instantly. So imagine how much time you need to do this manually. So let's open the output file, right? Shall we? Oh, this is in Excel. It's okay, okay. This is still a CSV. So let me open it in another file. So you can see that there's a new file created here called mapped user. Let me open it with Visual Code. I don't know, I prefer using Visual Code for viewing CSV data than using Excel, especially on a Mac. So let's see, you can see that the email column is now populated with data, and it the values are matched correctly with the name on the user with email here. So for example, line 11, mark, then let's go to line 11 and we see that the email is matched correctly. So hopefully this tool can save you time and prevent the errors you might have when mapping the values manually. So if you like the tool, like what it does, the link is in the description. Thank you.